following toolsets on our Exchange server. For this, I will go to the Exchange server, and from here, since I have taken the RDP of the remote of this machine by the Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, and so here I will take the remote. I have taken the IP config all, and now I want to copy the to the server the files which are listed in my local machine. So these are the setup files I have downloaded on my local machine. You can see here in the download section. I will go ahead, so where we will find the all the downloads. So here I have downloaded the files which are needed for it. So I will do the file share. I will go to my file share account, and from there I will check the details. So here I will check for the and I will type the IP address of the machine, which is 192.168.1.11. This is the IP address. So here I will type this IP address, and sorry, 192.168.1.11. And from here I will go to the C drive, where I can copy the you know C drive in the desktop. I will copy it. So I will open the desktop location first, and in a C drive, let's go. Okay, and C drive, I will go. Here I can in administrator folder only. I will go to desktop, and I will copy it. So it is asking me the credentials, guys. So I will do the domain credentials. Like domain is example.local, and the administrator account for my for my Exchange server. Okay, so these credentials I have time means I am accessing the file share of desktop. So the access is being granted. So here you can see that I'm copying the files on the desktop of the Exchange server, guys. Okay, as the script folder is there. So in the script where I'm accessing the file share, you can see the compare it. Okay, so likewise I can map the file share, and I can copy the files at the destination. Now since the file share is open, I will open another explorer on my base machine itself, where my downloaded files are there. So where I will check where my downloads are there, and network, it's not there. Since files are there, which I will copy, and this I will paste it on our LinkedIn. I have on our portal of URL rewrite support distributable files package. So this I will paste on the desktop folder of the Exchange server. So I'm copying it and pasting it on the desktop folder. So when I will access the machine, I will able to see guys, these are copying. Okay, so one by one the folders are getting copied by accessing the file share. And after that, we will start the installation of the relevant framework, relevant .NET Framework 4.8 with the UPI, Unified Communication Management API runtime. And after that, the redistributable packages, and finally the IIS rewrite installer. So this I will have to check IIS rewrite installer I have downloaded or not. Okay, IIS installer. Okay, no problem. So I will have installed it, guys. Now we are good to go with starting the installation part. So I will install, since this is my Exchange server, guys. Now I am install the first this part, which is our API runtime configuration frame runtime environment on our Exchange administrator. So I will minimize the screen. Okay, see guys, this is copying it. So once it gets copied, we would be good to go. Okay, guys. So I will install. since I have started the installation, now since it is processing on the next step, I will minimize this windows and see guys in the background. You can see that it's downloading. Okay, so what it will install the 2012 runtime environment, which is already we have mentioned here. This is the V plus component and the same with the 2012 environment. Okay, this is same as the relevant thing. So we don't need to worry about the we will get it in this platform only. And after that, we'll install this. These are all the packages included in it, and I will. So this is basically used for unified communication. And yes, we can install this setup experiences. So, since the Microsoft communication is getting installed, and in the meantime, also we can start the other installation, like the this 2013 installation, okay, which is our VC++ component, which is for the 2013 one. Okay, so this will install, start the installation of the 2013 VC++ redistributable component. So both are in process. And in the meantime, also we can create a setup file in a text file in order to copy those links, these links here. So I will access the file share directly and create a text file here, guys, so that I can paste all those links there. And okay, this text document I can create and install file, install I will write and will copy all those things into the same file. Okay, so these files are created here and save it with install. Okay, now I will file is here and I have opened it, the files on our Excel server 2019, and I will open this file. Okay, this installation is complete for Microsoft Unified Communication, guys. And okay, the setup is failed. You have to check the reason behind it, log files. We will check later. So first I will install the this one, which is the install IS URL rewrite. So I will connect this and will paste the link directly. And from here, is.net website, I can install it. Similarly, for 2012 R2, you can install it. 2012 is already installed with you in that communication. So now, see guys, here we are installing it, and I will install the X4, X64 installer. So, and I will minimize the screen so that it will not occupy the more video memory for it. Okay, so now this is where to let's downloading with the internet connection. Okay, so now let's open it. Now the download folder it will open, and I will try to install it. Okay, it must be installed on IS directory module 2.0. Okay, enable pre-matchable. And let's start with run as an administrator. Repair will do. Okay, install. It must features must okay. This core web 9 feature we have to install it, guys. So we'll check on this part, like we can try to repair it. Okay, no problem. So we'll check for the other our executable, maybe VC++ will be missing for those component. So I will check for the VC++ 2012 version because that might be the reason it was not installed for that packages. So check on this link and I will then copy this link, save link, and here I will paste it. You can also install the other browser like for Chrome for better communication, for better speed, so that you can have the more installation part. Means you can smoothly run the installation. So here I will start and let's see the file name is VC it is 6 version 8.9 6.9 version will take. see that the file is getting installed. I will close the unnecessary tabs which are not required now and directly go to the download section to have the files installed. Okay, so once installed this, you'll get the UCMA runtime environment and I will refresh it. I will just downloads and see guys. Now after that, I will check for G and here we will see that what all downloads we have done. You can see I will open this file and I will start the download. Okay, so this file I will run as an administrator. So this is 2012 version for the installation. Once it completes the installation, we will ensure that all our files which are made present in our our control panel. So here also you can do the app.list.ctl so that you can change in control panel what all files we or what all things we have installed. In control panel, the add and demo programs. Once this installation is getting completed, installation is coming on working on it. Control panel, guys, you can see that we have installed the necessary components. Now, in next video, we will be discussing on the next part of the installation after the provisioning of users in our Exchange scene. Thank you.